everyone, welcome to my channel, Deanna Troy Travel. Subscribe for all kinds of travel videos. Right now I am in the Tegalalang rice field in Ubud and it's beautiful. There's such a great view. There's a swing here too, but we did that in another place. But now we're gonna go walk around the rice fields and it's gonna be so beautiful and you're gonna come with me. So let's go. Yeah, so we paid our ticket, but we had to give a little donation, but then it's a surprise to us that with the donation we get some more free tastings of coffee and tea. So it's pretty cool. And we got this beautiful view to drink our tastings with. It's very relaxing.
Yeah, this is your welcome drink. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
This coffee and then this tea.
Okay.
Yeah, all of them was very healthy for you. Yeah, because we find the recipe from the traditional book for magazine in Bali we call Lontar.
Okay.
Maybe before you drink, I will explain with you the benefit or the function about this coffee and tea. Yeah. All right. This one I will start to explain with you. Yeah. This one is mangosteen skin fruit tea, very good for anti-cancer, antioxidant, good for your eyes and really good for your skin. And then this one is lemongrass tea. It's very good for anti-mosquito. If you drink continue, mosquito don't like to bite you. Because your smell about your skin like a lemongrass if you drink continue. And then this one is a pandanus tea. We make from green leaf in Bali we call pandan. This one is very good for relaxation. If you have a problem with your sleep, you have to drink to get sleep well.
Good for you.
Yeah. And then the last one for the tea is ginger tea. A little bit spicy, but it was very good for your stomach, good for your throat, good for your nose, and really good for energy. And then this one is coconut coffee, very good for your hair to make it stronger. And then this one is pure Bali coffee, very good for your stomach, but you can drink a lot because add caffeine inside. If you drink a lot this one, you have to drink this one to get sleep well. Yeah. And then this one is ginseng coffee, very good for energy. In Bali we call honeymoon coffee. Yeah, this was very good. Are you honeymoon? No? Yeah, if you honeymoon, you have to drink this one. Papa drink, mama happy, yeah? Papa drink, make baby, yeah, very good. And then this one, the last one, is the vanilla coffee, very good for your memory, to make strong your memory. Yeah, enjoy your welcome drink, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Sama-sama.
I just slipped and fell in the mud. Ew. Oh. Be careful where you walk. hope you liked this stroll through the Tegalalang rice terrace. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more travel videos on Deanna Troy Travels. Alright everyone in my traveler family, goodbye. I'll see you next time.